We rose as one, free from chains. Our journey had just begun. A nation born with dreams so bright, unity and progress are guiding lights. But today, we face a different test. Corruption, strife, and doubt. Our roads are bad, our schools are full, but still we rise as spiritually. We are so strong that when things get hard, we adapt to our situation. We have made progress, don't get me wrong. Technology, innovation, all day long. But amidst the good, the bad, we find inequality, injustice, leaving some behind. Yet, still, we hope, we strive, we pray for a Nigeria that's better every day, where leaders live in tech, and every child carries their destiny. We are Nigerian, strong and good. Our diversity, our stories untold, will rise again. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. My name is Jessica.